Okay, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an embedded messages for your Discord server so it doesn't look simple, so it looks nice to everybody. So I've seen lots of videos like this, but I'm going to make mine very simple to understand, very clear to understand, and I hope you will follow my steps and make an embed message for your Discord right now. So let's get straight into the video. First thing you need to do, open up your Discord, go to user settings, find advanced and enable developer mode. Why? I'm gonna discuss about it later. Next thing you need to do is make a webhook by going onto your edit channel gear and go integrations, create a webhook, create a new one. I'm gonna name it video and save it, copy webhook URL and jump onto your browser, go to discohook.org. I'm going to leave the link of it down below in the description if you can type it by yourself, and paste the webhook right here, and the video name of your webhook should appear here. Go to add embed, go to embeds, go to body, and you can name it whatever you want. If, for example, if you're making this embed for XP benefits, perks, however you want, I'm just gonna bold it, type it like that. You can change the side color by doing it right here. I'm gonna make it red so it looks nice. In the description you can type, for example, level 1 gets this. And for example, if you want to ping a role, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you with every channel how it works. Just if you want to do an emoji, just wait, let me type here. Okay, like emoji, for example, my money gun emoji. Go all the way left, type backslash, send it. This is how you ping. You do an emoji in the disco hook. For roll is the same thing, just ping a roll, test roll, left, that shall be it. Ping a roll like that. You ping a channel by just copying the ID of the channel, and I'm sorry, just ping your channel like this and go all the way left, go backslash, and this is the code you need to enter to ping a channel. For example, this is how you do this for the emojis or roles and the channels. Next thing, type for example level 1 benefits for level 1. For example, use external emojis. Can change nickname. For example, let's go with server booster, just so I can show you the gets the. Now I'm gonna make a server booster role just to show you server booster like that. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Server booster, go all the way left, backslash, and gets this role. Okay, can change nickname. I'm gonna make a VIP chat just to VIP. Gains access to. I'm gonna just ping it VIP all the way left. Access to channel, for example. You can do whatever you want, just if you know what I'm talking about. This is how you ping roles. This is how you ping channels. For example, if you wanna check your level, type /rank in the, for example, just now video. I'm going to tag it. My bad. Video. Go all the way left, backslash. That shall be it. Go back in this channel. For example, you can do whatever you want. You can change the color as you can do it orange, you can do whatever color you want. It doesn't really matter, it's totally personal preference. So yeah, if you want to add image, you can add image by just sending an image to your friend or your server or whatever you wanna send it to. So just copy the link of your image and paste it right here, and it shall appear right here. You can edit your images in a Photoshop, in the Photopea online, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna send the message to my server just to make sure this all works, and just to show you. Send video. As you can see, it works. So just follow my steps step by step and it will work, trust me. If you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment, I'm gonna respond to it. You can join my Discord server, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, thank you for all your support. I need a few more subs to reach for 40 subs. So yeah, thank you for your support, and I love you all guys, and see you in the next video. Peace.